Fluke Solve. For our first experience with the product. We're sick of the other products right now, not working. Bit of an all-rounder product. So this time, now we've just installed the new pond pump, we should have a lot better flow. 10,000 litres per hour. We've got a 9,000 just over litres worth of pond, so hopefully we'll get a good flow system. We'll give this one a try, and hopefully in 3 weeks time we'll do another run of it to get rid of all the eggs that would have hatched from the flukes, and see how things go. Competition time, guys. If you want the chance to win one of these 100 grams of Fluke Solve treatments, all you need to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment below win win win. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we'll go through all the comments, all the likers and all the subscribers and choose from one lucky winner, and we will send it anywhere in the UK and mainland. What I mean by mainland is anywhere in the world. Good luck. So Fluke Solve, first time we've ever tried it. It's a new product to us, completely new product. We have been recommended by several of you that's watching right now, so thanks for that. Hopefully this works better than the black beans. So as you've seen before on the other video, and if you've come over from the Facebook channels, we did a bit of a live when I was a little bit down in the dumps because these products weren't working and my fish are flashing and spinning and going crazy, basically, a bit like me. So what we're going to do today, we're going to give this a go. Now the instructions are quite dead easy, quite simple, and quite frankly I'm pretty happy with the instructions so far. So it says, or states rather, it's 4 grams of powder per 1,000 litres. Nice and simple, do the maths. If you don't know the maths, we're 9,000 litres, so 9 times 4. Anybody else know what this is?
36.
Correctamonio! And anybody that doesn't know what that is, good luck finding out. So basically what we've done, we're not going to bore you with weighing it out individually and how we've just done it. Just a standard set of household scales, you know, what you measure out for like bicarbonate soda and butter and things like that, just little tray digital scales. So nice clean jug. It's not clean, but it's close enough, even though it says use clean container. Chelsea.
That is clean. That's going to have pond water in it. What difference does it make? As long as that's clean. That, the bowl.
See what I have to put up with. Right, let's get down to business. So, Fluke Solve veterinary, 4 times 9,000 litres, 36 grams of Fluke Solve in one clean container, right there, mixed up. It does actually say 10 litres of pond water.
Yeah, 10 litres or 10 mil.
Let's
double
read
check
the packet ourselves, shall we?
Always best to double check and triple check.
Yeah, 10 litres. We haven't got 10 litre jug size, so we're just going to have to bear with, aren't we? So what we're going to do, we're completely novices for this, so don't follow my advice or opinions on any of this at all. I do believe that because it's a veterinary surgery, It's not veterinary surgery, it's a veterinary treatment. It's been designed by veterinarians, so it's well worth double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking, and even quadruple ding dong checking on the size of your pond. Make sure that you know how many litres you've got in the pond and in the filter, combine it together and work out your litrage and try to get it down to the gram. I'm not going to go into it because I'm not confident that somebody is going to be chap. Oh, there's Dave from Koi Wheel. He knows what he's talking about. We'll just listen to him. Chuck a load of that in, chuck a load of that in, chuck a load of that in, mix it all together then. Wonder why the fish died. So yeah, don't listen to me. I'm not going to advise on this one. I'm just going to follow the instructions as it states on the packet, put it in the bucket and whack it. Let's get a nice close zoom in on that. Kids, I'm making some breakfast cereal. Who wants some homemade meal?
You're having fun there on your chemistry lesson.
I'm only joking. Look at that. Hey, can you watch this?
Oh, look at the fish alive. Look at them.
I made some milk. Yummy. Look at that milk. Is that good? Hey, is that good? Yeah. Watch what happens when we put it in the pond in a minute.
Look at the fish. They're like eagerly waiting, thinking what's going on.
This is milk.
No, it's only, I'm only joking, it's not really milk, you can't drink it. This is special milky solution.
It's going in the pond.
Specifically for the fish.
It's medicine.
It's medicine for the fish. Effective treatment for skin and gill flukes even at low temperatures. Today is quite warm. It is quite a warm day today. I know you can see the washing out in the background, that's how you can tell it's warm, and the other way you can tell it's warm is because I'm enjoying the sunshine before work. I cannot help myself. So, what
You sound like a Yorkshireman.
So, right, can you wrinkles? Stand up there out the way, please. Thank you.
Can you sit there?
So what we're going to do now is we're just going to get this, I'm going to put it on and mix it as good as I can first, this is the time. I'm probably just going to go with the jug to be fair.
I think it just says put it in. Let me just double check. Immediately add this stock solution to the pond water with the fish. Doesn't say about trickling it in or anything.
Right,
Do what you see. Just do what you feel.
Right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
So I'm just mixing it up the best I can. It does say that it's going to make the water a little bit milky. A little bit of sweet. So let's do that out of here.
No, Wendy, don't do that, Baba. Good boy. Because it's special medicine for the fish.
It's not medicine because it's not actually medication for treating them. What it is, it's an anti-parasite treatment. Isn't it, Dee Dee? Because we're clever, aren't we, Dee Dee?
Where is it, Daniela?
If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, comment below, like the video and press that bell icon. If you want to see more videos, please stay tuned.